Hey y'all, so you know I've been sharing my fitness journey with you guys, sharing all my workouts in the mornings, but we all know that abs are made in the kitchen. So I wanted to share with you the protein shake that I've been drinking and absolutely loving. It's called LadyBoss and it's specifically designed for women. It's got protein, vitamins, immunity, and digestive support, making this the perfect meal replacement. All right, so we're making the peanut butter cup shake. Super easy. I already have my ice in the blender. I'm gonna put one of these packets in here. This is equivalent to one of the scoops. So you would want 1 scoop of the LadyBoss. This is vanilla, 8 ounces of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then I also am using almond butter here and it's 1 tablespoon. So I'm just gonna put this in. All right, so I like to put mine in a mason jar with a straw. It's so good. I honestly can't believe this is healthy. So again, it's LadyBoss. I did the vanilla shake and I made the peanut butter cup shake. They have tons of different recipes. You can actually get 3 free samples before you actually buy. So you can try it before you buy it, but hurry because they sell out quick. You won't regret it. I'm so obsessed.